Hi guys, today I'm back with some more resin craft. Today I'm doing UV resin earrings again, like I have done the last few weeks, and I'm using this same mould, but I'm going to use this shape today. Now, I also bought from Shein some of these. You could get all different colours, pinks, purples, but I decided to get aqua. They're little shell fragments. I thought, why not add them to this earring mould? So let's give this craft a go. So first of all, I'm just going to go in with a light layer of clear UV resin. I'm just going to take my little tool here and just spread the UV resin around the bottom of the mould just to give it some coverage. Now for the fun part, I'm just going to place these stones in randomly to fill the bottom of this mould. Okay, I'm just going to go on the top here and just add enough UV resin to fill this mould. Now I'm going to go over to my UV lamp and put this under for 1 minute this side. Then I'm going to flip it while it's still in the mould and hit it for another minute on that side, and I'll be back. Okay, so this has had a minute each side, and wow, look at that shell detail. That is so pretty. Well, let me make another one and grab some hooks for these earrings, and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, the finished product. And haven't they turned out spectacular? Such a quick and easy craft. Now I've added some hooks and a jump ring, and they're ready to wear. Well, if you're looking for some beachy earrings, give this craft a go, guys. And catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.